Hi guys, good morning! Samahan niyo po ako ngayon. Ngayon, mababiyahe ako papunta kami ng La Union. May gagawin kaming work, may i-visit kami, and ngayon papunta ako ng Pure Gold Paso de Blas. So, dito ako susunduin ng boss ko and sabay na kaming pupunta ng La Union. Ayun guys, 2 days nga pala kami doon and ayun, I'll do some vlogging ng onte, kaya sana manood kayo guys!
She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in
Ito pala yung Lawag
my
Church.
But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain.
Medyo mahaba-habang biyahe nga pala guys, and I think nasa 4 hours din yung biyahe namin papunta ng La Union. And nakarating kami dito guys ng probably 5:30 to 6 p.m. So, pagkarating, diretso agad sa work. So, pupunta agad kami sa Thunderbird Resort sa may La Union. And dun po kasi ating venue. And balita ko guys, maganda doon. Kaya, ayun, sama ko na kayo. A lot of people would think na naggagala-gala ako or nagto-travel. But, totoo yun guys. We're traveling talaga dahil sa work din namin. So, perks lang namin yung daan kami sa mga magagandang tanawin. Pero, ang purpose talaga ng aming pagbabiyahe, aming pag-iikot-ikot is dahil sa work. So, ayun po.
She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name
And we're here! So, andito na tayo sa Thunderbird Resorts, Poro Point in La Union. So, sabi nila, or to be exact, sabi sa research ko, Thunderbird Resort in Poro Point is located on a scenic 100-feet cliff at the highest point of Poro Point Peninsula that overlooks San Fernando Bay and the West Philippine Sea, where one can witness the most picturesque sunsets. It is a Mediterranean-inspired premier integrated